I want to talk to you today about how to purchase Christian books. I think it's important for one to understand that in today's society, now in today's world, there are so many different types of Christian books available. Once upon a time, we thought that we had to, if we wanted a Christian book, then we just simply had to get a book that was written all about the Bible, for the Bible, and what have you. But now the number of different opportunities that are available to us from every different line of fiction and nonfiction book is so tremendous. And so that gives us the ability to make it a lot easier than to find Christian books. I'd encourage you, search online. It's one of the easiest ways to find particular authors that you might like, or a particular style of book that you might be interested in. Search Christian bookstores. You know, there are bookstores in many churches or off-site in many different malls or things, but search out Christian bookstores, which always have a variety of Christian books, and if they don't have what you're looking for, they can point you in the right direction to help you find what you're looking for. And you know, there are many opportunities at different church conferences when guest speakers have come and do conferences or are hosted at different churches. Oftentimes they bring materials that they have written, and you can get great prices and a great opportunity sometimes to even meet the authors and have them sign your books and things like that. So there's so many opportunities available today for people that want to purchase Christian books. It's very easy and very efficient for one to do it as quickly as possible with less stress